Okay, this is a review of a nice budget option for an electric mower. This is the Bosch Bi-Turbo brushless. Beautiful little mower. Nice and simple. There's nothing really too hard about this mower. It's got a small deck. I think it's 46 centimeter deck. With the kit you get 2 of these batteries, and you need both batteries in it for it to use. There's the usual key, and you get a couple of those. Beautiful. No lights or anything. Light steel deck, which is quite nice, and a 60 litre catcher, which is quite a nice little size. Really nice and light to manoeuvre. Fantastic. It goes on there like so. Quite a simple blade here, no problems. Big wheels at the back, small wheels at the front. Helps with the manoeuvrability. Does 30mm all the way up to 70mm. So it can go quite high. It's got a couple of adjustment points. If you want to go a little bit lower, you can. And it packs up nice and easy too. Once I get that one out, goes right over, clicks into place, pull that up. And you can store it like so. Pretty nifty. There we go. Clicks back into place. It's got a 2-stage safety. So you press the button in here, then you pull the lever, and that's how she operates. The back here, it's just sort of like a half chute. You can get a plug, that's part of the kit. Plug it in there if you want to mulch and fertilise naturally. Nice soft grip handle. And yeah, she's just a simple mower. So we'll give it a nice test. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we're going to give this a little test now. You'll have to excuse the state of this yard. It's the dog's yard. We've got a Rottweiler. He basically dug some holes here, so I've had some fencing there to just let those areas repair. And I let this grow up quite a bit over the last 2 weeks. I've been reviewing some robot mowers as well, but like there's some real long areas, probably a bit hard to see on camera, but like very, very wispy there. We'll try this at the second height, see how we go, and yeah, go from there. This will go down to 30mm, so I'll do a second cut at 30mm after I do the first cut. See how we go. Went through that wispy part, no problems. You probably heard the little bit of difference in the motor. Very good.
If you're looking for a great lightweight mower with a minimum of fuss, just does the job, well, this could be well on your radar, and it's probably well within budget. A kit with the batteries is just under $1,000, and you don't have the fuss of petrol and oil and maintenance in that sense, so it's a very good cheap option. It feels lightweight, but look, it does the job, and for people with small to medium yards, this could be a really great option for them. It probably won't go low enough for renovations and stuff like that, but this mower will just handle the general duties quite well.
Bit of an idea of the cut there. That's a 40mm. Very nice.
Not everybody needs a self-propelled mower, and this one is not a self-propelled, so all the pushing is done by you. But look, this yard here was a fair bit shabby at above 40mm, and look, no problems pushing it through. Nice lightweight, no problems.
Well, we'll go down to the lowest, 30.
Going down to 30mm, the cut really shone. So this is the lowest that it will go. Like I said, it's not suitable for renovations, but look at it, it's just fantastic. And the clippings were about what I expect. I'll tell you what, this is a fantastic mower to use, nice and easy. If they're in the market for that, you don't want to spend too much. And look, after I did the edging with some other tools, you can get the same in the Bosch, being the whippersnipper and blower. You'll get a similar result to this and really smartens up the area. The Bosch is a well-made mower, and I think you'd have a hassle-free experience, such as I did, in use, and expect it to last quite some time. Get your lawn on.